Okay, let's make an amateur unboxing video and review. So I'm a parent, and one thing that always bothers me is the amount of dirt that's on the floor when my kid is playing, or his Cheerios and everything that he has is going through. So there was a sale at Target and I picked this up. It's the Dirt Devil Vibe. It's small and it's supposed to converts into a hand vacuum. And it's lightweight, perfect for small spaces. All right, that's what it looks like. That's what the box looks like. I picked this up. Today is what? Well, we're in June 2019, and I picked this up for $34.99 at Target. It's on sale right now, $10 off. And let's open it and see what it looks like. All right, so shaky video time. Not so shaky, but let's see. Come on, it's in here. All right, so we have this piece. This is the main piece right here. It has a cord. It's not cordless, so you know what can you say? You know, it's only $35. And this piece right, that's the bottom. And it should be the handle. I think so. One more thing. Okay, what else is in here? Okay, the instructions, which we are not going to read. I already tore it up. So it's the box. Everything that comes in the box. Vacuum itself. I'm guessing this is the handle. Yeah. The bottom piece. The long ass cord. The cord is supposed to be 18 feet or something like that. And then this part right here is supposed to be like an extension. So let's put this together and see what it looks like. So this is the finished product. There are two screws that you need to put in, one here, one here. This is how it looks. The Dirt Devil Vibe. Small, it's lightweight, and you just have to click this in right here. It's a little thing. Click that part in, easy. You put that part in here. It's a little. Yeah, that's how you take it out, pull it back, and you pull this up. It comes off. So let's plug it in and see how it goes. Alright, so the Dirt Devil Vibe, it's pretty good for $35. It works better on carpet than it does on the hardwood floors that I have. I just cleaned this carpet right here, and this is what I got on this carpet alone. It's really good. This is a good buy if you're looking for a good small vacuum for a small area. You don't want to have a big bulky vacuum pulling around everywhere. Then you should get one like this. And it detaches so you can pick it up and go everywhere. You know, just little areas, pick it up, put it on top of the table, get the couch and everything like that. The Dirt Devil Vibe. I bought it from Target, but you know, wherever you could find it, it's a good buy.